Hello. Do you have a problem with polymers or paints getting stuck or trapped on your process parts? In this video we're going to demonstrate how we've removed a type of paint that's cured onto the vessel and filter system for a chemical company that's producing roofing sealants. They have been cleaning it themselves at the bottom of the yard using a blowtorch and leaving it to burn overnight, black smoke pouring out everywhere, and it just was not feasible for them to continue to do this way, and they were probably going to get a call from the environmental agency at some point. So they asked us to come in and see what we could do. The process that we've used is a burn-off. It's a controlled burn-off called pyrolysis. It's a gas oven that we use, and it's a controlled burn-off over a period of time that reduces all the polymers and paints to a fine ash. After the parts have been through a burn-off oven, we put them through an ultrasonic tank, which is why you can see the end product for yourself. They're left with absolutely no residues on them whatsoever, and we've got a perfectly clean product for the customer to put straight back into production again. If you have a similar problem in your industry, hopefully this video demonstrates that there is another way. You do not have to set bonfires at the bottom of your yard, and there's actually a professional cleaning solution out there for you. And the fact that we use a full service ultrasonic cleaning means it's not just a burn off, it's not just a finished ashy product. It will be extremely clean, and that will reflect in your end product.
If what you've seen is of interest and you would like to take us up on a free trial clean offer, we'll be able to demonstrate for you what we've done for this customer today. So call us or email us and we'll be happy to help. Thank you very much.